South Africa has one of the highest TB disease burdens in the world, which according to the World Health Organization affected more than 280,000 people in the country in 2022. Now a team of researchers at the University of Witwatersrand aims to reduce this by gene editing the BCG vaccine. This more than 100-year-old vaccine is already administered to infants, but through gene editing the BCG vaccine, researchers have been able to boost its effectiveness.
It protects babies from the development of TB meningitis. So TB meningitis is a form of TB that occurs in the brain. And if you vaccinate babies with that, they protected against this disseminated form of tuberculosis. The problem is that vaccination effect wanes during adolescence. And so as we get older, the protection we had from BCG as babies, that goes away. So we're looking at this as a possible protection of infection or perhaps protection of progression to severe disease.
And that protection of people from older adolescents to those aged up to 44 years old is against pulmonary tuberculosis, which together with HIV can lead to serious illness. There are over 20 other vaccine candidates for protection against TB being developed around the world, and the South African vaccine is an example of the focus being placed on eradicating the disease. So far, the gene-edited vaccine has been shown to be more effective in limiting the growth of TB in the lungs of mice, and some experts believe the favorable results warrant further research.
What needs to be done now, this has shown promise, is that you would need to do further experiments in the lab and other animal models. And if it continues to show promise, then do early studies in humans to look at safety and early evidence that it's effective. And then much larger studies would be required to show it's effective.
For now, with new vaccine candidates in the pipeline, healthcare professionals may get the chance to further reduce the huge burden that TB has placed on South Africa's medical services. Andrews, CGTN, Cape Town.